Have you ever stopped to think what would happen to your family if you weren't around tomorrow? Yeah, it's a tough question, but that's exactly why life insurance matters, especially for families like yours and mine. Now, if you're young, single, and have no one relying on you, life insurance might not be at the top of your list. Why? Because honestly, who's going to need your support if you're not there? But the moment you have a partner or kids who depend on your income, life insurance becomes a real game changer. If something happens to you, that money can help pay off the home loan, cover everyday expenses, and give your loved ones the breathing room to find their feet. But life changes, right? As you get older, pay down your mortgage, and your kids grow up and move out, your need for life insurance usually fades away. There's no one-size-fits-all. It's all about your personal situation. So, how do insurance companies come up with what you pay? Well, it's a mix of things. Your age, whether you smoke, your health, gender, even your job and hobbies, all these go into the mix. Now here's something a lot of people don't realize. If you're working, chances are your superannuation fund already includes some life insurance. The catch: the premiums come out of your super contributions, which means less money invested for your retirement. The upside is, because these funds have lots of members, the premiums are often lower. But don't just assume that's the case. It pays to compare with standalone policies. Let's talk about the kind of life insurance most Aussies have. Term life insurance. Some policies may continue to age 99, provided the premiums are paid and the policy is renewed annually. If you pass away during that time, your family gets a payout. It's straightforward, and it's usually best for families who need coverage while raising kids or paying off a mortgage. There's another type called whole of life, but honestly, it's old news. It was phased out back in the 90s, so if you hear about it, it's probably a legacy policy. With so many options out there, it can get confusing fast. My tip: chat with a financial advisor or your accountant. They'll help you figure out exactly what you need, so you're not under or over-insured. Remember, life insurance isn't just about you. It's about making sure your family is protected, no matter what. And that peace of mind, it's priceless.